Hey everybody, so these are my Mefferts cubes. So I hope you like them. So yeah, so here's my curvy copter plus cube. I just got it recently for my birthday, and yeah, it twists really nice. I've never seen a cube like this before. So yeah, I really like it. Yeah, and it came in this box, and yeah, and that's what the box looks like. So, yeah. I put it on the stand and, yeah. Oh, and it does this really cool thing. And it jumbles. And, yeah. I really like it. And let's see if I can get it here and jumble. I almost got it. Okay, got it. So now it's jumble. And now you can solve it like jumbling and, yeah. Yeah, and that's the thing that you couldn't do with the other cubes is you can do that and turn it an extra way, which you couldn't do on the normal curvy copter. So, yeah. Just messing around with this. It's a nice cube. It turns nicely. I like it. Yeah, and it's one of my favorite Mefferts cubes. So, yeah. And there you go. It's all back to the solve state. So, yeah. And, yeah. So, I'll show you. So, I have all these Mefferts tubes. So, I have the Mega Minx by Mefferts. Right, it's right there. And then I have the Gear Ball, which is right there. And, yeah, it turns nicely too as well. I really like the Mefferts cubes. And then here's the Pyraminx that I have, which is right there. And then I have the Gear Cube, which is right there. Okay, so yeah, that's my cube collection, and yeah, I have two Pyraminx as you saw. So yeah, let's put that back on the stand. So yeah, those are my Mefferts cubes, and that's my brand new puzzle I just got. So yeah, I hope you liked this video and subscribe to all my other videos. Bye!